To worship means to show a lot of love and admiration to God. Psalms 22 verse 27. All the ends of the world shall remember and turn unto the Lord, and all the kindred of the nation shall worship before thee. To worship means to show a strong feelings of respect and admiration for God. 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9. But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a peculiar people, but ye should show forth the praises of him who had called you out of darkness into his marvelous light. We were built to worship, and we worship only one God. Soul Lift worshippers have taken it upon themselves to make this program a steady yearly event where Christians come to express their love for the Almighty God in worship. This year's night of worship, which is tagged Sound of Many Warriors, will be featuring great men of God and worshippers like Pastor Elijah Oyelade, Evangelist Ubong Apasi Ifiok, Reverend George Umana, Michael Etukudo, Jimmy the Psalmist, and many others. Date is 14th of August 2016, and the time will be 3:30 p.m. at Word of Grace Bible Church, which is located at number 80/82 Afaga Okwa, Obogedem, Eket. Our host for this year's event is Michael Etukudo.